Hi everyone, Yvette St.Amant here. Thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel. If you follow me on Instagram, you have noticed in the past several months me showcasing my beautifully branded acrylic paint colors. And I just want to let everybody know that these paints will be available spring 2023. But did you know that you can get VIP access to my paints by simply going to my website at YvetteSt.Amant.com, clicking on art supplies, and you can sign up to get VIP access. And what that means is I'm going to keep you up to date on when these paints will be available, and as soon as we get them from our manufacturers, we are going to make them available to our VIP list before we get them to the retail market. So I'm really excited. Not only do I have these branded paints coming out, but I have a whole branded art supply coming out with acrylic inks, brushes, art journals, watercolor paper, and so much more. So I hope you join me. I can't wait to share some of my favorite products that I've been working the past year on making sure that I can get to you and all my students who join me at paintingwithyvette.com. I also want to let you know that if you don't attend any of my courses so far, I have plenty of them available on my website under art courses. And you can see which ones are available, and they're plenty of fun, and they're really for all levels. So you'll find something that you enjoy. I hope you'll join me. Subscribe to my channel so you get up-to-date information on everything that's going on with my branded product line, as well as my art, as I have some very exciting news coming for 2023, and I want to share it with all of you.